Hi there, it's Marie Gray here from Harcourts in Milford, and I've got another fantastic property to bring to the market to you today. This fabulous 2-bedroom unit is situated in a nice quiet street at 2/7 Napoleon Ave. Generous inside, fantastic location, flat walk into Milford shops and zoned for the best schools. So come with me and let's take a look. I bet you've loved what you're seeing today on this video. Another sunny little spot here that you can just sit in and relax and enjoy, and with internal garage access and a lovely little carefree garden outside, out the back. This is the perfect spot. I look forward to seeing you at the open homes. Check out my website www.mariegray.co.nz and let's get you moving. Thank you.